Hi, I just wanted to leave a review for Emma Kirkham. So I have been on a few of Emma's courses and she is my Facebook mum. She always helps me and she's an absolutely incredible lady. She has gained such a good friend doing all of her courses, and I just wanted to pop on and I wanted to leave a review because I do a lot of networking and a lot of business things on Facebook, and when she said to me do a course on events, I thought, what is she on about? Everyone knows how to set up an event. It's dead easy. You go to the tab, you set event up. And I didn't realise until I did Emma's course how much value she can add and how much you can actually do with an online event. So I'm a baby caster, and for me, being a service-based business, I thought, okay, it's not really for me. I can't really do anything. And actually, I did my first event after Emma's course and I made over £500 worth in sales. This was massive for me because before I hadn't really had much interest in my events. I had literally gone to the event tab, set it up and maybe invited a handful of friends. And Emma has taught me how to do my events properly, how to set them up and how to market them. So if you haven't already, I would definitely recommend you go and do some of Emma's courses because she really does care about what you get out of them. So head over to Emma and get her course booked.